Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies from cake mix step by step. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet. Stir 1 box of cake mix with 1/2 cup oil and 2 eggs until smooth and uniform. Scoop tablespoon-sized rounds, spacing them 2 inches apart. Bake for 8–10 minutes until edges set, then cool briefly and serve warm or at room temperature for best texture. Try simple variations to change flavor and texture without extra fuss. Stir in 1/2 cup chocolate chips or 1/2 cup chopped nuts to the batter before scooping. You can add a teaspoon of cinnamon or a tablespoon of cocoa powder for deeper flavor, or fold in a handful of dried fruit for chewiness. For softer cookies, reduce bake time by a minute or 2 and cool on the sheet briefly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere and keeping digital cookbooks handy while you bake. I kept my notes on it, and it made following steps simple and portable. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Small technique changes make a big difference in texture and consistency. Chill the dough for 15 minutes if the cookies are spreading too much, and space scoops 2 inches apart on parchment-lined sheets. Measure ingredients precisely and avoid overmixing to keep cookies tender. Rotate the pan halfway through baking for even color, and let cookies cool on the sheet a few minutes before transferring to a rack for best shape and chew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.